apartment buildings offer significant benefits such as robust cash flow, equity growth, several income streams, and many others. Hello, my name is Jacinta, and I welcome you to this attractive, luxury, and spacious apartment that we have here in Abijo GRA with the title CofO. Yes, but before we give you the details of those apartments, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on amazing video tours like this. This apartment is in a close proximity where we have the popular Novare Mall, Shortlet, Lufasi Park, Costaris, and many other beautiful estates around here. This apartment is a fully serviced apartment, so it's going to come with 24 hours power supply. We're going to have a swimming pool here. We're going to have 24-hour security here. We have spacious parking space here and many others. The apartment consists of 1-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom apartment, and 3-bedroom apartment. I know you can't wait to see the spacious, the beautiful apartment that we're about to show you. Come on, let's go check this apartment out. This apartment, you have a luxury feeling of how your home will look like. Voila, this is our 1-bedroom apartment. Take a look at how spacious this living area looks like. If you're looking for an apartment for shortlet or for rental purposes, you can actually have this. Kindly note that this furnitures is not part of what you're buying into, but if you want those kind of interior decoration in your home, you can contact us and we'll help you out to get those beautiful furnitures for you. This is a spacious kitchen for 1 bedroom. Wow, I kid you not, you won't see this kind of spacious kitchen in a 1-bedroom. It is so spacious. Kindly note that the washing machine, the refrigerators are not part of what you are buying into. So we have spacious kitchen like this for a 1-bedroom. You have your storage spaces, you have your cooker, you have your double sink, you also have a opening window. We also have the microwave and many others. Why won't you have good dreams when you are sleeping in this kind of apartment? A 1-bedroom apartment with this spacious bedroom? You don't need to miss out on this property. So here is the bedroom that we have. We have beautiful wardrobe for you, spaces for your shoes and for your sneakers. We have this open windows that brings in natural light to your room, well ventilated room. You've seen how the 1-bedroom looks like. I know you can't wait to see the 2-bedroom apartment. This is a spacious living area. You can see how it is well decorated, how it is well placed, so you have an idea of how you can also decorate and design yours. I know you love what you saw. You love the 1-bedroom apartments, you love the 2-bedroom apartments. If you want something like this to live with your family, or you want for rental purposes, then give me that call on 090-5945-11. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on amazing video tours like this. My name is Jacinta. Till I come your way next time, keep investing in real estate.